Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of full screen on Pinterest. To know how to fix or how to solve full screen on Pinterest app, you click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above you can search about full screen. Sorry, not here. You can search about Pinterest app. Pinterest. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors. You can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.